Bottley. Trained athlete, second place, Kate and Sue, 940 points.
Put your foot down, Florence. Over there, and then we're just going to head up the hill.
Downward facing dog, so we're going to tuck the tail. I realised that, so we can lift up, lengthen through the spine.
They're off. Right! You ran over the line, let's go!
Well done, Pete.
Come on, Sue. Come on, baby. Keep don't let go. Don't let go.
Step. Yeah. Woo! Pinks.
I'm going to finish. I've finished one of mine. Some questions, and you can ask me anything. I know we've talked about some big stuff, but if you just want to go, I've got a goggle box. You can do that. All right?
Like when I was getting into
Everybody's moving, everybody!
yeah.
Critical thoughts, somebody mentioned this before, I think a couple of people mentioned it, but really common ones, so sort of beating ourselves.
your heel into the floor, the opposite leg, you get a better.
That one I bothered to do. We take our right behind our left and take our right hand over.
I'm never, ever, ever in a million years going to do this. I scream when I get.
We came back from the run and I said, do you know what, Jen, I'm going to go in. And she said, oh, God.
Go, 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 go!
Let's go! Concentration.
Passing! Go on, Lizzie!
Stop! Stop!
Oh! Go on, Bex! Go, go, go! Watch your eyes!
Hold it higher up the cone. Oh, that's it. Oh, higher.